I'm about to learn how to ride a bike. How many cc is this?
I don't know.
150 ah?
I got 150.
Wait, where do you come from? What's... I don't know how many cc is this, but then should be 150 or 5 or 100 though. I don't know about my bike. You're gonna ride it out.
Yeah, right. Wait, I need to start this first. How to start?
Alamak. Today's video is about me learning how to ride a manual bike. Manual, right? Yeah. Wait,
yeah, it's
so
manual.
how many cc is this?
I don't know.
Probably 100 or 150, I don't know lah, something like that.
I don't think it's 150.
Or is it 50cc bike? No, I don't think it's 50cc, right? 50 is very, very small. Okay, tell me, what are the basics?
Okay, I tell you, this clutch is different from the superbike one.
Okay.
Okay, superbike is you need to step up, right?
Yeah.
How to say? Yeah, step up, right?
Yeah.
But this one is step down only.
Hey, people blocking people.
Oh yeah. I say. Yo, got mosquito.
Okay, change of location. What were we talking about just now?
So,
Clutch.
Yeah, the clutch.
so be the clutch
Yeah.
is from you step up, is it?
You mean
yeah.
I need to push it up?
Yeah, I mean for superbike, but this bike is no, you just press it down.
Oh, okay.
So when you go up,
Okay.
go up, is it go up? Yeah, go up clutch. Gear 1, 2, 3 is you press here.
I just
If you
step
want
on
to
it.
go down, yeah. If you want to go down,
Decrease.
you decrease.
Just press the back
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, just that
one,
simple.
Bye. Okay, is it okay to step on this without turning on, switching on the bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay, right?
Yeah.
So like that lah.
Yeah, just
Until there's a click lah.
Yeah.
One. So it's like, and at the same time,
At the same time.
what do I do? And not just step the clutch,
Yeah,
right?
you step the clutch only. The first gear.
I don't
you
need to
just step-
accelerate.
No need. After that, only accelerate slowly lah.
So-
But it's not like the superbike like that. Like
Oh.
it's not like the manual car like that. You need to control the clutch.
Yeah, you need
and
to balance the clutch and the accelerator.
And accelerator, yeah.
So this is
This
not like
car.
that.
So you can just start the wait.
So
I
what are the
check
basics?
up first.
Wait, come on. Let me do it.
Yeah. Okay, then you can try start the bike.
Here, the key.
Yeah, you on the key.
Okay.
Turn the key. Then after that you start with this thing.
It won't
Press
move on,
this.
right? It won't move on, right?
It won't. It's at
Okay,
gear
so
1.
I need to go down lah.
So you go down. Yeah.
Alamak. Oh, I'm a pro already. I'm a pro. Okay, so
So you go down.
start this.
So you press. Yeah. Press that thing.
Oh, is it this button?
No. Okay. Start. Wait.
Off. Okay, wait. Ignition.
Wait. Load already ah? Mana?
Okay, so
But then it's
it's already on.
But it's not end. Why is it not end? Oh,
It's not going down.
no, you go in front of it. Yeah. Go until end. Yeah. Okay,
Now.
free your gear. Then start.
Oh, no.
Yeah, press. This is so weird, baby. You come down.
Oh, this thing.
Wait, there's another way of starting the bike.
So,
Yeah.
step.
Yeah, but you need to balance yourself, okay? Yeah, a very fast one. Yeah!
Oh! Oh, I was pulling on this.
Yeah.
Alamak. Okay, great.
Yeah, okay. Start already. So, but you don't accelerate
Well,
too
this
fast.
is damn easy to
Yeah.
actually accelerate.
Yeah.
Accelerate really fast. Okay, what is that thing? I want to know what's that pedal.
Okay, let's
Can you
switch
show
that.
that pedal? Show me what's that pedal.
That one is also brake.
Brake.
This thing, yeah, brake. You can brake Okay, this one brake, two brake.
That one is brake
Yeah,
front
two
or
brake.
back wheel?
I have no idea.
But both
Both also brake, yeah. This one I think is back wheel, this one is front wheel.
I start to question whether you are a good teacher. This is
Yep.
low beam. Right. This is the horn. Right.
Signal.
Where's the signal? Ah, here.
Yeah, I got signal too. Okay.
Okay. Say, first thing,
First thing first.
I need to control the clutch.
Yeah.
Not.
Yeah. So you step.
I need to be
Wait.
prepare to pull the brake, right?
Yeah.
Okay, before I stop, I need to go back to the neutral.
No, you can
Stop at first gear.
stop. Yeah, first gear also can.
Is she a good
she rides scooter, so
Yeah, exactly. I ride scooter only and then it's auto. It's so easy.
Can I go into
Okay.
first gear?
You don't accelerate first.
Do
You go into
not accelerate
first.
but hold
Yeah.
on the brake.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay? I need to keep holding on to the brake.
No, you just don't accelerate.
You don't need to hold on to the brake.
Yeah, you can hold on and you ready the other leg brake. Yeah.
Oh, I cannot brake from this side.
Both also can brake.
Okay, then
Okay. Okay. Then you just ready. You don't accelerate too fast. Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Then you should step gear 1. Just step.
No, I don't need to match anything on her.
Just step only.
Okay.
Okay.
In already.
See? In already, right?
Then
So fast, right? So
Then-
easy. Not like the. Oh yeah, you didn't ride the bike. Okay, then slowly.
oh just like that.
Ah, yeah.
Alamak, so easy, right?
So you ride from here until the car first.
Okay, this was dangerous.
I mean just gear 1. Just try gear 1.
Okay, I'm in first gear.
Yeah, you're in first gear. See, it won't.
It won't like a car to move.
Yeah,
move
yeah,
to the
yeah,
front,
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Prepare myself.
Okay. Then you can just go slowly. Raise your leg. Balance the bike. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Stop there. Okay, move in clutch too. Gear 2. Gear 2 already? Yeah, go one round. Aya. Gear 2 already? Is it gear 2?
Huh?
Gear 2 already?
No? Okay,
Yeah,
I'll
you
gear
try.
two.
You try gear 2. Try. Ôi dồi, ta chịu muốn chẳng, ta chịu chưa. Ta chịu khá cái đó cũng. Ồ, bắn. Whoa, so you're in gear 2. Go gear 3.
Gear 3.
Cái còn kia người kia kia có phải. Ôi dồi, lúc mà.
This is fun.
Cool, right? Yeah, you see, so easy. First time.
This is actually very easy.
Very easy because it is first gear 1 slow.
Yeah, not all bikes are like that, right?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I think Gina, it's not a good idea to stand in front of me actually. Yeah, so I should go back there now slowly.
Then you go like go few
Careful,
round.
car. Huh?
You don't go few round.
Yeah, just like that. See, this is very fun actually. I can actually fetch you right now.
Okay, wait.
What is
You want
it?
fetch me?
Yeah. There you go.
You careful. Yeah.
Wait, okay, so I'm in land. First gear, there's a car coming though. Wait. Oh, he's gonna park, I think. No, he's gonna make a U-turn. Yeah, alright. Let's go. I'm in first gear. Be careful, ah. Oh, I'm not. Be careful. I'm the one that should be careful. Alright, let's go. Yeah, oh my god, this is so fun. You hold me tightly, ah. Okay, it's actually quite hard to like concentrate. I think because I'm still new lah. I'm actually very new. Oh, but hold on, I'm not fast enough, right? Yeah. Okay. But I know, but the road is so bad, you know, road quality. Yeah, Insta story, Insta story. Come on, second gear. Woo! Yeah. Okay, so. Yeah. I know. Yeah, second gear is very smooth. I mean, low speed lah. But I assume you can't go at third gear when you're very slow, right? Yeah, it wouldn't move, right? Okay, this is very fun actually. Okay, I think I could get used to this. So no. I'm not that confident. This is like my training ground, you know, right now. This is the first time that I ride this type of bike. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Just that, you know, one thing, I'm really not used to the. Okay, like now, this thing is very loose. If it's tighter, I think it will feel safer, you know. You know what I mean, right? Yeah, I want a video too. Lol. Because I'm sweating. She want a video, ma? Huh? There? Whee! Right, I'm just curious. Yeah, the stepping brake and this brake, what's the difference? Hold on to me, later I accelerate. Later you fly off. Hold tightly. Even though I'm smelly. Yeah, this is fun. Okay. So upgrade. Next video.
Second attempt on the highway.
You know that poll that I asked people to vote on, whether should I go and get a B full? Majority asked me to go and get a B full, you know.
You are now just riding a normal bike only.
Alright, so that's all for this video. This is a super random video. Actually not a really random one for me because I've been planning to learn this type of bike for a long time. What is he doing? What were you doing? So yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon.